In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an email campaign in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank dashboard to a fully built and scheduled email campaign ready to send to your contacts. First, log into your Zoho CRM account and head to the Campaigns module in the main navigation bar. From the dropdown, choose Email Campaigns. This is the dedicated area where you'll manage and track all of your email marketing inside Zoho. Next, create a new campaign. Look for the Create Campaign button, usually in the top right corner, and select Regular Email. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you run a lot of campaigns. Then, select a relevant topic from the drop-down list. Topics are important because they help your recipients control what type of emails they want to receive, which can improve engagement and reduce unsubscribes. When you're done, click Save and Proceed. Now it's time to define your sender details. Start by clicking Add Subject and enter a compelling subject line and a short pre-header text. The pre-header is that little line of text that appears next to the subject in most inboxes, so use it to complement or expand on your subject line. Then click Add Sender Details and enter the sender name and email address. You can use a generic address like a team inbox, or you can choose the CRM owner address option, which sends the email from the contact's owner in your CRM. This often feels more personal and can increase open rates. If you need to track replies, configure reply tracking here as well, then click Save. After that, select who will receive the campaign. Click Add Recipients. You can choose from existing mailing lists or specific segments you've already created. Segments are just filtered groups of contacts who share certain characteristics, like location or life cycle stage, which is great for more targeted messaging. You can also exclude contacts from particular lists or past campaigns if you don't want them to receive this one. When your audience selection looks good, click Save. Now, create the actual email content. Click Create Content. Zoho gives you a few options: pre-designed templates, basic templates, or working directly with HTML if you're more advanced or have an existing design. Choose what fits your skill level and needs. As you design, make sure the email looks good on both desktop and mobile, and always include a clear unsubscribe link to stay compliant and build trust. Before moving on, use the preview and test options to send yourself a test email and check it across different devices and email clients. When you're satisfied, click Proceed. Finally, review and send or schedule your campaign. On the last page, go through all your settings: subject line, sender details, recipients, and content. If you'd like, open the advanced options to enable things like Google Analytics tracking or social sharing so you can better measure performance. When everything looks right, choose whether to send immediately, which may include a brief compliance check by Zoho, or schedule it for later. You can pick a specific date and time, send in batches, or let Zoho optimize based on when your recipients are most likely to open. And that's the full process of creating an email campaign in Zoho CRM, from setup to scheduling.